Today, we've got the scoop on why Verizon is making waves in the news, and it's not for that ultra-fast 5G network. Instead, Verizon stock took a bit of a nosedive, dropping by 6.6%. If you're a shareholder or thinking about investing in the company, you're probably wondering what's going on. Let's unravel this telecom mystery together. The drama began at the Deutsche Bank Media, Internet, and Telecom Conference. Frank Boulben, Verizon's chief revenue officer, painted a less than rosy picture for the company's short-term future. He indicated that subscriber growth might be a bit lackluster in the upcoming quarter. How come, you ask? Well, Verizon has dialed back on aggressive promotional campaigns, while their rivals are pulling out all the stops to snatch up new customers. It's like hopping into a boxing ring with one hand tied behind your back. In business, competition can be as fierce as a video game boss level, and this is one telecom battle that's causing Verizon's stock to feel the heat. The once relentless competitor is now more tame, primarily because they shifted their focus from flashy promos to concentrating on pricing actions and managing churn. That's basically fancy talk for reducing the number of subscribers jumping ship. Despite these current challenges, Verizon remains optimistic in its outlook for 2025, predicting they'll surpass previous benchmarks in net postpaid wireless subscriber additions. Now here's a little nugget for the savvy investor crowd. Even with today's stock slide, Verizon's not all doom and gloom. They're boasting a healthy dividend yield of 6.2%. So, if you're looking for long-term income, it's a carrot worth considering. Although, as always, investment comes with its risks and rewards. At today's close, Verizon stock was hanging tight at 43.42 cents, underscoring some wary investor sentiment around the short-term subscriber outlook. But with great market challenges also come debates about opportunities, especially with such a decent dividend yield hanging in the balance. Okay, tech aficionados, I've got a question for you. Do you think Verizon's strategy to pull back on promotions will pay off in the long term, or are they giving their competition a chance to snatch away market share? Are you worried or excited about investing in Big VZ right now? Hit that comment section below. Let's kick off a discussion. I want to hear from you, whether you're bullish, bearish, or somewhere in between. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.